Firstly, we're going to go through how to make a call and put that call on hold. Simply, you would pick up the handset, or if you had a headset on, put in the number. So in this case, we're going to go through the pharmacy by pressing this button here. Pharmacy pick up, and then you simply press the hold button to put them on hold. To resume the call, just simply press up, and then connect, and then you're back on the call with them. If you actually need to transfer it across, simply press the transfer button, and then either the extension you need to put it in by punching in here, or just simply press another button here. They then pick up, you hang up, and then they're speaking to each other.